How to log in to Macy's credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Macy's credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type Macy's credit card. Once you have typed in this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with various search results. Here, make sure you select this credit gateway link, that is macys.com/mycredit/gateway. Once you click on this link, you will be redirected to the official page of Macy's credit card. On this interface, you will find sign in button. If you haven't created an account on it, you can create an account by clicking on this create an account button right next to the sign in button and follow the prompts to create an account on it. Now if you have already created an account, go ahead and click on this sign in button, and then you will be redirected to this page where you will find the sign in interface. Here you need to input your email address in this first box, and in the second box you need to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here. You can also click on this show button at the right side if you want to reveal your password to double check it whether you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want to keep yourself signed in for future, you can also click on this button right here. Now once you do so, you can click on this sign in button and then you will be able to log in to your Macy's credit card account. If in case you don't remember your password, you can also click on this forgot your password link below the sign in box, and then from there you can follow the prompts to recover your password. After that, you can log into your account. After you are logged into your account, you can view account summary, review transactions, make payments, and many more. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Macy's credit card account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.